Hi everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to be going over alkyl prefixes and how we denote the length of the parent hydrocarbon. Alright, so the length of a compound's longest continuous chain is denoted by an alkyl prefix, and this corresponds to, again, the length of the parent hydrocarbon, our longest continuous chain. Here are your alkyl prefixes. You will become intimately familiar with these prefixes and use them all the time, okay? The prefix meth is used to symbolize one carbon, eth symbolizes two carbons, prop symbolizes three carbons, but indicates four carbons, pent is used for five carbons, hex for six carbons, hept is for seven carbons, oct is used to denote an 8-carbon chain, non a 9-carbon chain, dec is used for a 10-carbon chain, undec 11, and dodec is 12. Now, professors generally don't make you go above 12 carbons when you're doing IUPAC nomenclature. If your professor wants you to know up to 16 or 20 or however many they want you to know, just look online. You can find lists of those alkyl prefixes. But in general, you should just be going from 1 to 10 would be my guess. That is the general rule. So have this committed to memory, and note that sometimes we use these abbreviations. ME stands for methyl, ET stands for ethyl, PR stands for propyl, and NBU stands for a straight chain of 4 carbons. Okay. Now remember, we can name simple straight chain alkanes by combining the alkyl prefix with the functional group ending -ane. -ane is the functional group ending for a simple alkane. So I've just given you some examples down here. We have propane, a 3-carbon alkane. So we use prop to denote the 3 carbons and ane for the functional group ending. Butane is 4 carbons. Pentane is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pent-ane. We have hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heptane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And octane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to want to have these alkyl prefixes committed to memory. You'll be using them a lot. And remember, they come before the functional group ending, and the functional group ending in our examples below was -ane, symbolizing that we had an alkane. And the alkyl prefix precedes that functional group ending, and then of course, if there were any substituents, those would be named in front of that alkyl prefix attached to the functional group ending.